ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kajingsoy ne numsoy yaka memorandum of understanding habi day berupur usam kejala Assam kami namar hadu menta Jingkylli penbet pur hakawat kabaar kampat Sdang baha. Yakani laong du sembut menteri rangba kejala ubas nyau balang dhar ubadeiru chairman ke regional committee bakmi yaka Jingkylli Hills Jingkylli penbet pur barka Assam. Yakani ubas nyau balang lajuba bhalu kajindawa ka Neutral Border Disputes Redressal Forum baka Sarkar Meghalaya kamdai bansoy memorandum of understanding baka Sarkar Assam kelam depin pha yaka block 1 sha Meghalaya. Haba jubab yakani ubas nyau balang ulong ke Jingkylli bansoy memorandum of understanding ni em kami namar ke Jingïakren baka Sarkar Assam kampat Sdang. Tada kadon ke Jingsoy memorandum of understanding ke Sarkar kadon kamru Jingïakren sani bha shua baki nong shong shnong khamtam kitu ki bana block 1.
Nothing we have to discuss about the state together, no? And even though if any agreement has to sign, first we have to consult thoroughly and properly with our own people, local people from the area only. And the question of signing this and does not arise because now it's under discussion only. We'll see, maybe now election is coming, so we have to discuss with counterpart. Maybe both sides of the committee are busy because of lots of election. We will see, we'll update you. Especially from my side, so I thought after the session we'll sit once. And about the counterparts so at the CM level, we will see accordingly. The reports now, that is not the final report because we are there is the exercise doing by our deputy commissioner. So along the line, in the borderline, so we are trying to find how many villages are there reside by the Kasi, how many villages are there reside by the Garbi. It's still under exercise still on us all now.